Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can enable and disable hardware graphic acceleration in PowerPoint. So open the PowerPoint and click on the File tab in the top left corner and head to the Options. Click on that, and in the PowerPoint option you need to click on the Advanced. And now scroll down to the Find the Display setting, and here is the display. And now here you can check or uncheck the box labeled Display Slideshow Hardware Graphic Acceleration. If you want to enable it, then keep in mind the box is unchecked, and if you want to disable, you need to check it and click OK to proceed. So make sure hardware graphic acceleration offload intensive graphic tasks from your computer CPU to your GPU. This results in significantly smoother transition, faster rendering of high resolution images, and seamless playback of embedded 4K videos. By utilizing this dedicated power of your graphic card, PowerPoint can handle complex 3D models and heavy animation without lagging or draining your system's primary processing memory, so ensuring a more professional and fluid presentation experience. So that's all for the today. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.